Welcome, today I am with VIVO Y72 5G and I will show you how face unlock works in this smartphone. So I'm going to make few unlocks and let's see how it performs. So as you can see, it looks like there is no any screen protection. And there's no any screen lock. Take a look. I'm going to put the camera like that, and when I'm going to press, as you can see, right now we got the recognition animation. When I just put it in front of my face, it looks like amazing, honestly. I think it's the same speed like the fingerprint sensor that we can find in the right power key edge. So as you can see, the face unlock works really good in this smartphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.